Hi, my name's Terry. Did you know that you will learn how to find the volume of a prism today? Let's conquer this geometry. In this video, I'll walk you through what a prism is and how to find the volume of any right prism. Well, first, what's a prism anyway? Is it this? This? No, this is a prism. This is a prism. Well, this is a prism too. What do all these prisms have in common? They have two bases that are parallel. There it is, that's it. If there is only one base like this, well, it's not a prism. So two things have to be true to be a prism. Two bases, and those two bases have to be parallel. Now let's figure out how to find the volume of a prism, of any right prism. You could try to memorize each and every formula for all the differently shaped prisms, but why? I mean, here's a formula for a prism. Volume equals length times width times height. Or volume equals half base times height of the prism. Or the volume equals half the apothem times the perimeter times the height. I can't keep going. I want one formula for any prism. So here it is. The volume equals the base area times the height of the prism. Or V equals capital B H. Much easier. Do you wonder why there's a capital B in this formula? Well, a capital B in all prism formulas and all 3D shapes is for base area. Well, you may be asking yourself, what the heck is base area? I can hear you shouting from here. Well, my answer is going to be, it depends on the shape. If the bases are rectangles, then the base area equals base times height. If the bases are triangles, well, then the base area is half base times height. If the bases are hexagon, then the base area is half apothem times perimeter. So, see, it just depends. Still, all you have to know is how to find the areas of two-dimensional shapes, and that's way easier. If you're liking what you're seeing in this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to find out when my next video drops. Because you know what? I will get you through this geometry. You can do this. So let's figure out how to find the area of a right rectangular prism. Too many words? Well, the name gives away what the bases are. They're rectangles. So in a rectangular prism, the bases are rectangles. So to find the base area, you just go base times height, or length times width. So in our example, the base area is 3 times 7, or 21. So we're all ready to find the volume. The volume, again, is just the base area times the height. So now the volume would be 21 times 12, or 252. But wait a second. Don't forget about units, because you know your geometry teacher wants those units, right? So the volume would be 252 centimeters cubed. Why is volume cubed, you ask? Well, because any three-dimensional figure has 3 dimensions, right? So you cube it. You're welcome. Okay, let's look at a triangular prism now. So the base is given away in its name too. The bases are triangles. And you know to find area of a triangle, you go half times base times height. In our prism, they gave us all 3 sides of the triangle because they're trying to mess with us. We don't need that, I know, but keep breathing. You passed the area test, remember? We can do this. So the base and the height on a triangle form a right angle. So the base area would be half times 6 times 8 is 24. Okay, we're ready for the volume. So the volume is, again, base area times the height. Well, that means in our example, the volume would be 24 times 15 is 360. But that's not your final answer, right? Nope, we need units. Teachers always ding you for not putting the units on your final answer. How do I know all this about teachers? Because I was a geometry teacher for 30 years. I am the monster you're trying to conquer. Now I'm an online math tutor who tutors privately. If you're ever interested in one-on-one tutoring, I'd love to help you. Just follow the link in the description and sign up, and we can get started right away. Also, if you're interested in a freebie from this monster, on how to pass a geometry test, and I know how to pass a geometry test, follow the link in the description below, and I'll send it to you right away for free, because it's a freebie, right? Okay, this has been an overview of how to find volumes of prisms, but in the next video, I'll be showing you how to find volumes of hexagonal prisms and decagonal prisms. You didn't faint, did you? No, not you, because you are conquering this math, and I'm going to help you do it, because you can do it. I'm sure you can do it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe so you can see the next video, but you knew that, right? Okay, I'll see you next time on Let's Conquer This Geometry.